Okay, together, let's learn how to play Sudoku. If you're like me who are looking for a pastime game, on my case during COVID-19 quarantine, then this video is for you. This is a brain game, which means while you're playing, you are actually stimulating your brain, and just like a physical activity, it makes it healthier. Note that although Sudoku displays pure numbers, there are no calculations involved, so if you are allergic to algebra, you're safe to play this game. Rule of the game for Sudoku is that numbers are placed on a 9x9 grid. There should only be one unique instance of a number per row, per column, per grid. And that's what you'll leverage on when you play this game. So let's have a game walkthrough. Let's start. I'm using an app that I downloaded from Google Play Store. For me, what I do to quickly solve it is I scan it from 1 to 9. So I start with number 1, then I look for the grid where I can place the number by checking the intersections. So you see, on the top left grid using our game rules, there's no number 1 yet. Based on the current intersections, this space is the only available cell where we can place number 1. I now proceed with number 2 and check the intersections for my target grids. If you can't find one, move on to the next number and repeat the whole process. On the top left grid, you will see that only one cell is available for number 4, so we place it there. Then I resume my scan again in ascending order until we reach number 9 and repeat the process of checking the intersections and finding grids where I can fill the cells. What I like most about this app is that once all the grids are filled with that number, it will take it out from your list. On this case, it was number 4. But look at the center left grid. There's only one number left for it to be complete, and that's number 3. Again, since I completed number 7, it took it out from my list. Look at the center right grid. Number 3 is the only number left for it to be complete. Once I finish my scan, I now look for rows or columns where there are only 1 or 2 cells left. On this case, I found the middle row and placed number 6. The same with the row above it. I placed number 1. And then repeat this again for other rows, columns, or grids that have been almost filled. I sometimes encounter gameplays where I can find those type of setups. So I start again with my 1 to 9 scans since there are new cells that I have filled up and repeat the whole process. I guess this time you're getting the gist of the game. Looking back at my play, yes, I missed some opportunities here because yes, it's quite confusing sometimes. So the highlights of the numbers done by the app really helps. Just imagine those who are playing this old school style, using a pencil and their Sudoku book. Wow, respect. So there, that's how you can play this. Look for intersections, check for rows, columns, or grids, and find an empty cell where you can place a number. taking into consideration that there should only be one instance of a number per row, per column, and per grid until you complete the whole set. This is basically a game of logic. Then try to beat yourself every time. On this level, my fastest was 4 minutes flat. On my next video, I will teach you how to play this using a very simple strategy which I learned myself through constant playing and use it to play the expert level, which is the most difficult level of this game, and still be able to beat out the rest. Till next time!